think certainly for a competitive, qualifying game or group, it's probably the most sort of injuries and probably bad luck. Certainly since I've been in the squad for sort of 6 or 7 years or whatever, the 11 that are out there on Friday evening, be trying, as hard as they can and be given everything to try and get a result. We just need to make sure that we prepare as we would have done, if the original squad was here, and look to try and put in 2 good performances to give ourselves a chance to get a few results. There's consistency whether you're at your club or all playing for your country.
Word about Craig Bellamy, he's announced that these are his final 2 games. I mean, in terms of what he's given Wales over the years, absolutely magnificent servant, and he'll be missed.
He'll be massively missed because his commitment to Wales has been as great as anyone since, like I said, I come into the squad. And there's been times where he hasn't been fit to play in games, but he's still turned up to be at the hotel to watch training. In terms of what he demands of himself and the rest of the team, he certainly improved a lot of the players, and you can only learn from people like that when you're around them. He'll be a massive loss to us because not only is he a top player, like I say, what he demands of everyone, the standard of trips, will be massively missed.